Hello. So this question was asked in GATE ECE 2023. So the question is from General Aptitude, question number 9. You can refer the question paper released by GATE, IIT Kanpur. So it is saying out of 1,000 individual in town, 1,000 लोग हैं, 1,000 people are there. Okay, 100 have been unidentified individuals are COVID positive. So you don't know which those 100 are there, but they are COVID positive. उन्हें COVID हो चुका है. Like so they are COVID positive, 100 of them, but you don't know who are they. Due to lack of adequate COVID testing kits, like COVID test करने का जो kit होता है, that was not much number, so that's why the health authorities of the town devised a strategy. They are trying to find out a strategy to identify these COVID positive individuals. So what would be the strategy? How they can take an opportunity to reduce the number of COVID testing kits. Okay, so that they can utilize a lesser number of kits to identify these 100 people who are COVID positive out of 1,000 people. Okay, so what is that? Collect Slavia samples from all 1,000 individuals and randomly group them into sets of 5. Okay, so क्या किए, like you are collecting from all thousands and you are distributing the group in 5 people. So total how many groups will be there? 200 groups, right? 200 into 5, that will be total 1,000 people. So 200 groups are there. Each group is having 5 people. Mix the sample within each set and test the mixed sample for COVID. So ये 200 जो ग्रुप है, तो एक एक ग्रुप के 5-5 लोगों के, like each group is having 5 people and that samples is being mixed. They are they are mixing it and trying to find the COVID COVID testing. If the test is done in two, if the test done in two gives a negative result, यदि इन एक ग्रुप में किस नेगेटिव रिजल्ट आया, it means what? They declare that all the 5 individuals are COVID negative. Of course, like in that group, none of them will be COVID positive. So 5 लोग एक टेस्ट से ही निकल गए बाहर. Understood? If the test done in two is positive result, so एक ग्रुप में अगर जो पॉजिटिव आ गया, then we don't know which like 5 of them out of 5 people, which one of them or 2 of them or all 5 of them are COVID positive, that we don't know. So then all the 5 individuals are separately tested for COVID. Okay, so this strategy use करके no more than how many testing kits will be required, that we have to identify. Understood? So what will happen? First of all, you have to test each group. It means minimum 200 is required right now. So 200 kits is one thing. Now suppose all the first 100 groups have been identified as COVID positive. Okay, so what will happen? Let us see. Group in set, group in sets of 5. So total 200 group हो गए, right? Now suppose 100 people are COVID positive. So what you will have? You may be having that each group is having only one individual which is maximum COVID positive. So what will happen? At maximum, first 100 groups will be COVID positive. It means 500 लोग COVID positive हो गए. Understood? So you have to do what? First 100 test. Okay, then later 100 test one more, like first 100 people, first 100 group is having positive or next 100 people is having COVID positive, that we don't know. So 100 plus 100, 200, that was I told you just now. 200 test you have to do definitely. But out of these 200 groups, at maximum only 100 group will be having. It may be definitely less than that practically, but maximum you will be unlucky, then all the 100 people will be in different groups which are COVID positive. So totally 500 more tests will be required, because each group has 5 people and you have to do now all the persons testing. So 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 100 plus 100, that is 700. Understood? समझ में आया कि नहीं? सबसे पहले फर्स्ट 100 ग्रुप का टेस्टिंग हो गया, फिर नेक्स्ट 100 ग्रुप का टेस्टिंग हो गया, राइट। नाउ एट मैक्सिमम क्या हो सकता है, ईच ग्रुप विल बी हैविंग ओनली वन कोविड पॉजिटिव पर्सन। सो जो 100 ग्रुप्स आए हैं जिनके कोविड पॉजिटिव है, मैक्सिमम उनके 500 व्यक्ति का टेस्ट फिर से होगा, अंडरस्टूड। सो 500 टेस्टिंग किट प्लस 200, 700 टेस्टिंग किट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड। सो 700 इज द आंसर।